Hey there! Ready to dive into the world of network devices? These are the building blocks that keep our digital world connected, secure, and running smoothly. Whether you're sending an email, streaming a video, or defending a network from cyber threats, you're relying on these essential tools. Let's break down the basics so you can start seeing the network like a pro. First up, routers. Think of a router like a traffic cop at a busy intersection. It directs data packets between different networks, choosing the best path for the data to travel. When you connect to Wi-Fi at home, it's your router that makes sure your message to a friend in another country doesn't get lost on the way. Next, we have switches. If routers connect networks, switches connect devices within a network. Imagine a power strip for your computer network. Each port on a switch connects to a different device, like your PC, printer, or security camera, and it ensures they can all talk to each other efficiently without crashing into each other's data. Then there are hubs. These are like old-school party lines. When a hub receives data, it sends it to every device connected to it, whether they need it or not. That's not very efficient or secure, which is why switches have mostly replaced hubs in modern networks. Bridges help segment networks. Think of a bridge like a hallway door that connects two rooms. It lets traffic through only when needed, reducing congestion and improving performance. They were more common in older networks, but are still useful in specific scenarios. Firewalls are the bodyguards of your network. They monitor incoming and outgoing traffic and decide whether to allow or block specific data packets based on security rules. This makes them crucial for protecting against unauthorized access and cyber attacks. Gateways act like translators between different network systems. If two networks speak different languages, a gateway helps them understand each other so data can pass between them. This is especially important when connecting an internal network to the wider internet. Understanding these devices is key to grasping how networks operate and how to defend them. Each has its unique role, and together, they form the backbone of both home setups and massive enterprise infrastructures. In the next modules, we'll explore how they work together in real-world environments and how to configure them effectively.